In Spanish, basically verbs pattern. Okay, verb play a vital role. So we have four verbs which is very important. Repeat after me. Ser, bolo ser, estar,
Ser,
estar,
ser,
estar,
estar,
tener and haber, tener and
estar,
haber. It is very.
tener, haber.
So basically, bache, you know what? Ser belongs to my is MR verb. So ser is my verb which belongs to be
Yes,
and is to is MR. One thing you have to understand, ser and star is also belongs to my is MR verb. So basically, if I will say
yes,
ser and star, obviously we have two verbs. Now, for example, in English we have is MR, in English we have is MR, but in Spanish we have two type of is MR. One is ser verb and one is a star verb. Is it clear to you? And I will explain to you
yes,
what is
sir.
the difference between these two verbs, like how I will come to know where we have to apply ser verb and where we have to apply a star verb. Is it clear to you? Now, first thing you have to understand,
Yes,
because
sir.
in Spanish we have a conjugation. In Spanish, we have a conjugation. Is it clear to you? So repeat after me. Ser is my verb to be,
Yes, sir.
but I will convert this verb. That is yo soy. Yo soy is to I am. You know yo is to I, right? Yo is to I. You know this yo.
Yes, sir.
Yo soy is to I am. To
Yes, sir.
eres. To eres is to you are. Repeat after me, please. Yo
Yes,
soy
sir.
is to I am.
You, sir.
Is to I
I
am.
am.
To eres is to you are. El, ella, repeat after me.
Tú eres.
Eres, él,
Él, ella.
ella, usted. Él is to he and ella is to she. Él, ella, usted. He,
She.
she, and usted is you formal. Now, for example, we have tu informal, tu, and usted we have formal are. So repeat after me. Yo soy is to I am. Repeat after me, please. Yo soy
Yo
is
soy is to
I.
I am.
Tu eres is to you are.
Yes, sir.
Repeat after me. Tu eres.
Tú eres is to you are.
Él, ella, usted es. Él, ella, usted
Ella,
es.
usted.
Él, ella, usted es. Is it clear to you?
Us-
Nosotros somos. Repeat
Yes,
after
sir.
me. Nosotros is we. So nosotros somos. Clear? Vosotros sois.
Yes, sir.
Vosotros sois.
Vosotros sois.
And ellos, ellas son. Is it clear to you, Bache?
Yes, sir.
So repeat after me. Yo soy is to I am. Repeat after me, please. Yo soy is
Yo soy is to I am.
to eres is to you are. Bolo please. To eres is to you are.
Tú
Bolo.
eres is to you are.
Él, ella, usted es. Repeat after me. Él, ella, reference.
Él, ella,
Ella, usted es.
usted es.
Nosotros somos. Bolo please. Nosotros somos. Vosotros sois.
Somos.
Vosotros sois and ellos
Vosotros.
son. So what is that basically? Yo soy is to I am in Spanish. Tú eres is to you are in Spanish.
Yes, sir.
Nosotros, él, ella, usted es, he, she, él is he, ella is she, and usted is you formal es. Nosotros somos is we are.
Yes, sir.
Vosotros sois is you are in terms of plural. Okay. And ellos, ellas son is they are.
Yes,
Is
sir.
it clear to you? Clear? Now we have
Yes, sir.
which is a star.
Yes, sir.
So basically, a star we have verb which belongs to my is MR verb. A star. Repeat after me. A star. A star is my
Está.
verb which belongs to my is MR. A star. A star. Clear? Okay. So what is this
Yes, sir.
then? We have yo estoy is to I am. Yes. You know, we have formula of a running verb. The formula of a running verb is what?
Yes, sir.
O, as,
Sir, if we have O for you ask, L A ya A,
amos,
Amos is and.
eyes, an. So what is that? So that O belongs to my I, because what we have to do is, now for example, we have a running verb, right? Okay, let me rub this.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the formula of a running verb? Because in Spanish, now for example, we have a hablar. Now, hablar belongs to my a running verb. So we have to eliminate this AR
Yes, sir.
and we have to apply a formula of O, as, a, amos, eyes, an. Is it clear?
Yes.
Clear? अब क्या
Yes,
होगा?
sir.
Hablo. Why? Because
Yes, sir.
I have to remove AR. Because that's a rule. I have to eliminate AR the moment I will conjugate the verb with I, you, he, she, right? Hablo, hablas, clear? Habla,
Yes, sir.
hablamos, habláis, habla.
Yes.
The same way we have estar verb. Now in estar is my verb to is MR. Now you know estar, few things we have to recollect. It is not yo esto, we have yo estoy. And again we have the same formula as, a, amos, ais, an. So repeat after me. Yo estoy, repeat karo, yo estoy is to
Yo
I am,
estoy.
is to I am.
Est
Tú estás is to you are. Él, ella, está. Repeat the language,
tú
please.
estás.
Él, ella, está is to he.
Ella está.
Nosotros estamos. Vosotros estáis. And
Nos.
ellos, ellas están. Is it clear to you, team? Clear? Because you know what?
Yes, sir.
Nosotros is my we, that is amos. Eyes. Vosotros and an. Is it clear to you? Now, one thing you have to understand,
Yes, sir.
team. What is the difference between ser and estar verb? Now, for example, team, we have ser and estar verb, right?
Yes.
Now, both of the verb belongs to my is MR.
Yes, sir.
Then how I will come to know where I have to apply ser verb and where I have to apply estar verb? Is it clear to you? Now, basically, very simple.
Yes, sir.
Ser is used in a simple way to talk about what is something in permanent state. Ser is a verb which we use for when the situation is permanent. For example, I'm a boy, so I am is a verb, right? You are a girl, is a verb, right? This is a house, is a verb. This is a
Yes, sir.
car. The statement is permanent, right? So when the statement is permanent, team, we have
Yes, sir.
state verb to describe the characteristics that are essential part of the life. We are talking about, for example, estar is used to talk
Yes,
about
sir.
situation is temporary. For example, I am sad is a verb. So it means I can be happy sometime. I am angry. So maybe I
Yes, sir.
can be cool. So situation is temporary, right? So
Yes.
basically, team, for the condition, location, emotion that we are talking about, angry, action we are talking about, these statements are temporary states. Location, for example, I will say this shop. Now, for example, I will say MACD is in sector 17, maybe, but it can be shifted to sector 20. So whenever we have a condition, location, emotion,
Yes, sir.
action, this is my temporary state that we call as a star verb. Is it clear to my team? Clear ho raha hai?
Yes, sir.
So basically, let me
Yes,
explain
sir.
to you, team, what is SAIR and again. And what is estar? Now, team, let me share the screen to you. 1 second. I will explain to you where and you to pen down. Team, it is very, very important because sale and estar is a very important topic over here. Is it clear to you? Okay. मैं आपसे एक स्क्रीन शेयर कर रहा हूँ.
Yes, sir.
आपको मेरा दिख रहा है स्क्रीन? सेकंड विंडो दिख रहा है आपको?
Yes, sir.
यूज फॉर डेट दिख रहा है आपको? ऑक्यूपेशन, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स दिख रहा है आपको? Origin and relation. Sale is used for date, occupation, like you are a doctor, you are a doctor only, right? Is it clear to you? Claro. Characteristic,
Yes, sir.
timing.
Yes, sir.
What is the time? It is 4, it is 5 o'clock. Origin and relation we call as sale verb. Relation, he's my sister, he's my brother, he's my uncle. So that situation is my sale verb. Is it clear to you? But whenever you have position,
Yes, sir.
location, action, condition, emotion, this is my star verb. Is it clear to you, team? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Now, for
Yes, sir.
example, 1 second. Now, for example, if I will say, वो ध्यान समझना team, very important. The uses of say verb. Now I can write down one more thing over here. The say verb, you have to pen down team, and we'll do say verb theaters and star verb theaters. The say verb which is for the hours, day,
Yes, sir.
place of origin, occupation, nationality. Now, for example, I'm Indian, I'm a French, I'm Spanish, I'm German, anything is nationality. Religious or political affiliation, material, something is made of possession, relationship, you know, sister, brother, blah, blah. Even talking about a place, essential qualities, what makes this thing. Now, ये चलो इसको अभी हटाते हैं. इसको हम करेंगे बाद में. Now, for example, your relation, occupation, nationality, is it clear to you? Hours, day, this is my say verb. Is it clear to you? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear हो रहा है आपको? And start verb is obviously
Yes,
we have
sir.
done, you know, and you know what? Any progressive sentence, जैसे if we have, let me write it down. Now where we have to use a star verb also. A star verb we use for any geographical or physical location. A star verb we use for state or condition like emotions. Many idiomatic expressions is also we use for a star verb. And whenever we have an ing, say I speak and I am speaking. So in that case also in ing format also we have to use a star verb. I will explain to you kaise. Is it clear to you, team?
Okay, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
For example, अब एक example करते हैं. Clear? For example, we have said verb. If I will say Maria is a happy person. Maria is a happy person. अब देखो Maria is Maria. यहाँ पे हमने s यूज किया. L या s होता है सेर वर्ब में. He, she, it is. L या s. टीम होते हैं L या s, बताओ टीम.
Yes, sir.
सेर वर्ब में तो Maria is a होता है.
Yes, sir.
Because feminine है. Whenever you have feminine a, Maria. Una persona. Person क्या हमेशा person is female in Spanish. Person is female in Spanish. Una persona. Muy is very alegre. Alegre. Alegre is happy. Alegre. Alegre is happy. So I'm saying Maria is una persona muy
Okay, sir.
alegre. It means muy is very. So I'm saying यहाँ पे देखो say verb use किया because Maria is a happy person. ये उसकी quality है. Maria is not happy अभी. उसकी quality है कि वो happy रहती है. So quality में भी अब एक बार कि Maria is happy. वहां पे आप say verb नहीं लगाओगे क्योंकि वो अभी तो happy है, कल को दुख भी हो सकती है. लेकिन whenever it is a quality, कि Maria is a happiest person. Is it clear to you, team? Whenever situation is fixed, you happy person
Yes, sir.
इसका happy है. तो Maria es una persona muy alegre. Is it clear to you? So being a happy
Yes, sir.
is a part of personality. Is it clear to you? Clear हो रहा है?
Yes, sir.
But for example, if I will say
Yes, sir.
Maria is in good mood, कि Maria अपने एक अच्छे मूड में है, तो कल को सैड मूड में भी हो सकती है. तो वहां पे मैं is नहीं लगाऊंगा. I will not apply is. I will apply esta. Maria esta de buen is good. Humor is, your humor, right? Buen is good. So I'm saying Maria esta de buen humor. Is it clear to you? Now, for example, if I'm saying Maria is a happy person, there's
Yes,
a
sir.
quality say verb. Maria is in good mood. Maria está de buen humor. Is it clear to you? Buen is good. Clear हो रहा है आपको? Team,
Yes,
is it
sir.
clear to you? पक्का? देखो हम ना कुछ
Yes, sir.
which is very important.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, for example,
Okay, sir.
if I may say the football game, the soccer game is in the stadium. Let me write it down over here. Now, over here, we are talking about the location of event. I'm not talking about the location. Location event क्या पे football match, football game. So event है. Location of event कि वहां पे एक match होना है. तो location of the event. Location is stadium. Event, football match. So in that case, we have to use said verb. Location is not a said verb, but location of the event is a said verb. Is it clear to you, team? So the soccer game is in the stadium. El juego, the football. Juego. Juego, we have play, game. Juego. Bolo juego. Bolo. Bolo.
Yes, sir.
Juego. Bolo juego.
Juego.
Yes, el juego. El मेरा क्या है यहाँ पे the masculine the we have el juego the football. It means the game of the football is क्यों लगा team? Because this is my location of the event. In is in al estadio. Estadio we have a stadium. Clear हुआ team आपको? El juego de
Yes, sir.
fútbol es en el estadio. Is it clear to you? Team, is it clear
Yes,
to you?
sir.
अब ये तो
Yes, sir.
हो गया कि एक इवेंट है, लेकिन अगर मैं बोलूं द स्टेडियम इज इन डाउनटाउन, स्टेडियम जो है डाउनटाउन में है, तो कल को स्टेडियम शिफ्ट भी तो हो सकता है. दैट्स अ लोकेशन आई वुड से. द स्टेडियम इज इन डाउनटाउन, आई विल से एल एस्टाडियो. Estadio, we have a stadium. El, we have masculine the. Esta is en el centro de la ciudad. Centro de la ciudad is center of the city. Centro de la ciudad, de la of the ciudad. Ciudad is city. Is it clear to you? Ciudad
Yes,
is
sir.
city. Is it clear to you, team? Clear? अब जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं
Yes, sir.
रिलेशनशिप डिस्क्राइब कर रहा हूँ, रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन टू पीपल. नाउ फॉर एग्जाम्पल देयर इज अ रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन टू पीपल एंड आई विल से कार्लोस एंड गाब्रिएला आर स्पाउसेस. दोनों एक हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ स्पाउस हैं. तो कार्लोस y Gabriela son are ellos ella son es said verb. You know said verb ellos ella son fix है ना, esposos. Is
Yes,
it clear
sir.
to you, team? Right?
Yes, sir.
So Carlos y Gabriela is name of the person, son esposos are, there's a relationship between two person. Is it clear to you? Clear? लेकिन टीम,
Yes, sir.
अगर मैं बोलूं टीम दे आर हस्बैंड वाइफ, वो हस्बैंड वाइफ ही रहेंगे. क्लियर? बट इन केस if we describe the relationship to each other, now for example if I will say Carlos and Gabriela are married, they are married, so this situation can be a divorced also. I'm not sure. So I can say Carlos y Gabriela están casados. Casados is my married. Is it clear to you? Talking about marital status, which is a
Yes,
condition
sir.
of the state. एक condition है एक कि they are married. So Carlos y Gabriela están casados. Is it clear to you? Now, team, describe the
Yes, sir.
appearance. If I will say she is very pretty, she is very pretty, I will say ella es muy bonita. Ella is she, is, muy is very, ella es muy bonita. Clear? But if I will say she is very beautiful
Yes.
tonight, वो आज रात बहुत सुंदर लग रही है, तो कल को ठीक ठाक भी लग सकती है. एक तो होता है कि शी इज वेरी प्रीटी, यू बहुत ब्यूटीफुल है. एक है शी इज लुक, मतलब आज शी इज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल टू नाइट ऐड कर दिया, तो इट कैन बी डल द नेक्स्ट डे, आई एम नॉट श्योर. सो ella está muy
Yes.
hermosa. Hermosa क्या होता है? ब्यूटीफुल. hermosa tonight, this night. Esta, this, noche is night. So I'm saying ella está muy hermosa esta noche. Ella, she is, muy is very, hermosa is beautiful, esta is this, and noche is night. Is it clear to you, team? समझ आ रहा है आपको?
Yes, sir.
Now, for example,
Yes, sir.
we are from New York. तो आप न्यूयॉर्क से ही है, तो if you are from India, तो you are from India only. Whether you will stay in US, you will say I'm from India only, right? So you will say we are from NYC. You will say nosotros somos de Nueva York. It means NYC, New York. Nosotros somos. समझ आ रहा है आपको सारा टीम? Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Now, for example, if
Yes,
a
sir.
marital status. Now, for example, if you will say she is a mother, so mother is mother only. So ella es una madre. Ella, she is.
What?
Ella es una madre. Clear? Clear हो रहा है टीम?
Yes, sir.
अब देखो, अगर
Yes,
आप बोलते हो
sir.
कि वी आर ऑन अ जर्नी टू ऑस्ट्रेलिया, तो कल को आपकी जर्नी कहीं और भी चेंज हो सकती है. इट इज नॉट यू विल ओनली ट्रैवल टू ऑस्ट्रेलिया. तो ओवर हियर वी हैव टू यूज estar verb. Nosotros estamos in a journey, on, in, un, viaje. Viaje is journey to the, for the Australia, for Australia. So बोलो टीम. Now if we देखो ये conditions है ना कि today I am traveling to Delhi, I can travel to Bangalore. The statement is not fixed. So nosotros estamos en un viaje por Australia. Is it clear to you? Team समझ आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
If I will say she is married,
Yes, sir.
married, ella está casada, estar verb. Is it clear to you? Because the characteristics hopefully is obvious.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to you? If I will say the apple is green,
Yes, sir.
the color of the fruit is green. So green is green only. It cannot be yellow. So la manzana, manzana is apple. Is we have said verb verde is my green. La manzana es verde. Is it clear to you? Is
Yes,
it clear
sir.
to you? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, एक तो मैं यूज, अच्छा इसमें आप एक चीज और यूज करते हो कि आप बोलो कि सर अगर एप्पल ग्रीन है तो कल जब एप्पल अगर मुरझा जाता है तो फिर एप्पल तो ब्लैक भी हो सकता है. इफ आई विल से कलर ऑफ द फ्रूट ऑफ एप्पल इज ग्रीन, वो तो ग्रीन ही रहेगा. लेकिन इफ आई विल से कि द एप्पल इज ग्रीन, अगर वो खराब नहीं हुआ है. Now, for example, if I say the color of apple is green, वो ध्यान समझना, इसमें दो सिचुएशन आ सकती हैं. एप्पल खराब, एक तो है कि एप्पल का कलर रेड है तो रेड ही रहेगा. अगर ग्रीन एप्पल होता है जो ग्रीन ग्रीन ही रहता है, ग्रीन हमेशा ग्रीन, लेकिन वो उतरने के बाद पेट से वो ब्लैक येलो कुछ भी हो सकता है. इफ दैट वे हम ये भी यूज करते हैं, ला manzana está verde, is estar verb यूज भी कर सकते हैं. इज इट क्लियर टू यू टीम? समझ आ रहा है आपको?
Yes, sir.
क्लियर? अब
Yes,
जैसे
sir.
आप से आई एम फ्रॉम कोलंबिया, तो yo soy de Colombia, I am from is MR verb, say verb, yo soy de
Yes,
Colombia.
sir.
Is it clear to you? I am in Spain, मैं स्पेन में हूँ, तो I am
Yes,
from
sir.
Spain या I am in Spain, क्योंकि अब आज आप स्पेन में हो तो कल को आप दिल्ली भी हो, कहीं भी हो सकते हो, ऑस्ट्रेलिया भी। तो yo estoy en España. Is it clear to you, team?
Yes, sir.
क्लियर हो रहा है आपको? टीम, मैं आपको क्या कह रहा हूँ,
Yes, sir.
आज एक्चुअली क्या है कि स्टूडेंट्स नहीं आए हैं, तो उनको भी ज्यादा मतलब मिस ना हो उनका। तो गुरसिमरन इसका प्रैक्टिस करोगे पहले आप, जो मैंने आपको करवाया, अगर उसमें रिकॉर्डिंग भेजूं आपको मैं, इफ आई विल सेंड अ रिकॉर्डिंग टू यू।
Yes, sir.
क्लियर? क्योंकि ये चीज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है।
Yes.
इसमें दो चीजें मैं आपको और करवाता हूँ ऐड ऑन। मेरे को ये कि एक्चुअली आज थोड़ा सा ना रेनी सीजन चला हुआ है, तो रेनी सीजन में थोड़े से स्टूडेंट्स में मिस करते हैं। अब जैसे यहाँ पे है कि द सूप इज टेस्टी
Okay.
at that restaurant, the soup is tasty at that restaurant, तो it means what? यहाँ पे क्या है, is a characteristics of the restaurant, की स्पेशलाइजेशन है उसकी। तो in this restaurant, in este restaurante, in that restaurant, in este restaurante ऐसे बनेगा, in this restaurant, in este restaurante, la sopa, the food, the soup, la sopa is very tasty. La sopa es muy sabrosa. En ese restaurante, in this restaurant, en ese restaurante, in that restaurant, ese, in this restaurant, la sopa es muy sabrosa. बोलो मेरे साथ आप please. En ese restaurante, in this restaurant, बोलो please.
In ese restaurante.
La sopa es muy
In ese restaurante.
La sopa
La
es
sopa is muy sabrosa.
sabrosa. Clear? Sabrosa is tasty. देखो आपको अलग vocab मिल रही है
Yes, sir.
राइट। इफ आई द सूप इज कोल्ड, अभी कोल्ड
Yes,
है तो
sir.
बाद में हॉट भी हो सकता है। सो द ला सोपा
Yes,
इज द
sir.
फ्रिया, फ्रिया इज कोल्ड। इज इट क्लियर टू यू? टेल मी प्लीज।
Yes, sir.
क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
ओके। तो बच्चे एक काम करते हैं,
Yes, sir.
तो इस सेशन की रिकॉर्डिंग मैं आपको शेयर करता हूँ। व्हाट यू नीड टू डू इज, आपको इस सेशन का
Okay,
रिकॉर्डिंग
sir.
देखना है मल्टीपल टाइम्स, मल्टीपल टाइम्स, और आपको इस सेशन की रिकॉर्डिंग को देख के मुझे अपना
Okay.
वॉइस रिकॉर्डिंग सबमिट करना है। बट वो तभी हो पाएगा जब आप इस सेशन की रिकॉर्डिंग को 2-3 टाइम्स आप देखोगे। इज इट क्लियर टू यू? समझ आया आपको? क्लियर
Okay,
बच्चे?
okay, sir. Like I will be explaining everything.
यस। सबसे पहले क्या करना है आपको,
Okay.
एक्सप्लेन नहीं करना आपको। जैसे इसमें मैंने जो यूज किया सेर स्टार में, जो मैंने
Okay.
टर्म्स यूज करी हैं, जैसे द फूड इज टेस्टी, तो आप बोलोगे इसको वॉइस रिकॉर्डिंग में। क्लियर? लेकिन वो तभी होगा जब व्हेनेवर यू विल
Okay,
लिसन
sir.
द रिकॉर्डिंग 4 and
Okay,
5
sir.
टाइम्स। क्लियर? प्रैक्टिस के लिए इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। क्लियर बच्चे? गुड सिमरन?
Okay.
ओके। तो इसका भी
Okay.
प्रैक्टिस करो आप, ठीक
Yes,
है?
sir.
मीट ऑन मंडे, ठीक है? विल मीट ऑन मंडे देन। ओके बच्चे?
Okay, sir.
आई विल ट्राई माय बेस्ट कि मैं कुछ
Okay,
रिकॉर्डिंग
sir.
भेजूं, आप उसको आप देखो, ठीक है? आई विल ट्राई माय बेस्ट, लेकिन अभी इसको देखोगे आप। ओके? इज इट क्लियर टू यू बच्चे?
Okay,
ओके,
okay, sir.
ठीक है?
Okay, sir.